Are you stuck in the endless AR-15 versus everything debate? Well, here's a hot take. The Ruger Mini 14 smashes the AR-15 in more ways than you'd think. From rugged reliability to legal accessibility, this classic rifle proves why it's the ultimate underdog. Stick around as we dive into 8 reasons why the Mini 14 might just be the better choice for you. The Ruger Mini 14 is a rifle that offers several advantages over the AR-15, including its unmatched reliability in adverse conditions, its Garand-style action, and its ability to perform in extreme environments. It operates on a gas piston system with a fixed piston self-cleaning design, which separates hot, dirty gases from the rifle's internals, preventing carbon buildup and ensuring smooth operation over long periods. This gas piston system keeps the bolt and action cleaner, reducing the frequency and depth of maintenance required to keep the rifle running reliably. The Mini 14 is renowned for its ability to perform in harsh conditions, including freezing cold temperatures, sandy or dusty environments, and extended neglect. It has been tested in countless real-world scenarios, including ranch work, law enforcement, and law enforcement. The Ruger Mini 14's simplicity of design makes it user-friendly and easy to maintain, especially for beginners or those who prefer less mechanical complexity. Its Garand-style action has fewer moving parts compared to the AR-15, which relies on a more intricate bolt carrier group and direct impingement system. This simplicity translates to ease of disassembly and reassembly without requiring special tools or advanced knowledge. The Mini 14 requires less routine maintenance to keep it functioning reliably due to its durable, self-cleaning gas system and robust construction. Its controls are intuitive and simple, making it easier to use for all levels. The Mini 14 features a cross-bolt safety, a straightforward pull mechanism on the charging handle, and a simple latch-style magazine release, making it more akin to traditional hunting rifles. The Mini 14's design is inherently practical, meaning users don't feel compelled to add numerous aftermarket parts to make it function efficiently. With the AR-15, many users find themselves needing to upgrade components like triggers, bolt carrier groups, and charging handles. The Mini 14 works well straight out of the box, minimizing the time and money spent on enhancements. The Mini 14's simple, robust design appeals to those who prioritize functionality over complexity, offering a no-frills, reliable experience that's easier to manage and maintain than the more intricate AR-15. The Ruger Mini 14 is a classic hunting or ranch rifle that borrows its design from iconic firearms like the M1 Garand and M14. This gives it a refined, vintage look that sets it apart from the more aggressive, militaristic styling of the AR-15. Key features include wood or polymer stocks, smooth lines, and minimalist controls. The Mini 14's aesthetic fits seamlessly into environments where traditional rifles are the norm, such as hunting trips or working on a ranch. Its appearance often draws less attention than the AR-15, making it ideal for pest control and hunting camps. Its traditional appearance makes it less likely to attract negative attention or scrutiny compared to the AR-15, especially in areas where firearms are viewed with suspicion. Timelessness over trends. The Mini 14 embraces a timeless design that remains stylish and relevant across decades. This makes it a preferred choice for gun owners who value classic craftsmanship and understated elegance. Customizable yet tasteful. The Mini 14 offers options for customization, but these upgrades tend to complement rather than overwhelm its classic design. Examples include adding a scope or sling for hunting applications, or opting for tactical-style stocks like the Ruger Tactical Mini 14, which balances modern functionality with the rifle's traditional roots. Lightweight and compact options. The Ruger Mini 14 has earned a reputation for being a lightweight and highly maneuverable rifle, making it a practical choice for users who prioritize portability and ease of handling. Compared to the AR-15, the Mini 14's design offers several advantages in terms of size, weight, and balance, especially in scenarios where compactness and mobility are critical. Designed for mobility, the Mini 14's lightweight and compact profile includes a slim stock design, shorter barrel options, and lightweight materials. The lighter weight of the Mini 14 reduces fatigue during long hours of carry, whether in the field, on patrol, or during recreational shooting. Ideal for diverse users. The Mini 14's lightweight and compact nature makes it a great choice for youth shooters and small-framed individuals, ensuring comfort without compromising effectiveness. Tactical Mini 14 variants. For those who want a more modern twist, Ruger offers tactical versions of the Mini 14 that incorporate shorter barrels, flash suppressors, and collapsible or folding stocks. These models maintain the rifle's compact advantage while adding modularity for users who need tactical versatility. Lower perceived recoil. One of the standout qualities of the Ruger Mini 14 is its lower perceived recoil, which makes it more comfortable and enjoyable to shoot compared to the AR15. While both rifles fire the same caliber in most configurations, 223 Remington or 5.56 NATO, the Mini 14's design mitigates recoil in ways that provide several practical advantages for shooters of all skill levels. The Ruger Mini 14 is a versatile rifle designed for various hunting and ranching tasks. It features a long-stroke gas piston operating system, adapted from the legendary M1 Garand and M14 rifles, which plays a crucial role in reducing felt recoil. This system spreads out the force generated during firing, resulting in a smoother, less jarring action. The Mini 14's stock design and ergonomics further help to minimize perceived recoil. The stock is designed for a natural ergonomic fit, which helps distribute recoil evenly across the shoulder and minimizes the felt impact. The Mini 14's weight and balance also contribute to a reduction in felt recoil. The well-distributed weight ensures that the recoil energy is spread evenly through the rifle, reducing the sharp kick many shooters feel with lighter front-heavy rifles. Models with polymer or synthetic stocks absorb some of the energy, further reducing the impact felt by the shooter. The Mini 14 tends to have a slight edge in perceived recoil due to its smoother action and overall design. This makes it a preferred choice for new shooters, those who are less accustomed to handling firearms, and those planning to fire large numbers of rounds during a single outing. The lower perceived recoil of the Ruger Mini 14 makes it a fantastic option for shooters who prioritize comfort and control. The Mini 14's design and functionality make it an exceptionally versatile rifle, especially for hunting and ranch work. Originally marketed as a ranch rifle, the Mini 14 was purpose-built to handle the diverse challenges faced by farmers, ranchers, and hunters. Its combination of reliability, maneuverability, and practical features make it a go-to firearm for a variety of outdoor and rural applications. The Mini 14 is most commonly chambered in .2, .23 Remington, and 5.56 NATO, calibers known for their versatility. These cartridges offer several advantages. 1. Effective for small to medium game, ideal for hunting varmints like coyotes, foxes, and groundhogs, and even larger animals like deer, where legal. 2. Lightweight and portable design. The Mini 14's lightweight and compact profile is a significant advantage for hunters and ranchers who spend long hours in the field. 3. Rapid follow-up shots. The Mini 14's semi-automatic action gives hunters and ranchers an edge in scenarios where quick follow-up shots are necessary. 4. Durability in harsh environments. The Mini 14 is designed to withstand tough conditions, making it a reliable companion for outdoor work. Models with stainless steel barrels and synthetic stocks are particularly well-suited for exposure to rain, snow, and humidity. 5. Ease of handling in vehicles. The Mini 14 is a favorite among ranchers for use as a truck gun due to its compact size and straightforward design. It fits in tight spaces, fits in trucks, cabs, ATVs, or other utility vehicles, and can be quickly accessed and used when pests or predators are spotted. 6. Versatile optics and accessories. The Mini 14 can be customized with accessories to fit specific hunting or ranching needs. Its integrated scope mounts allow for easy attachment of optics. Sling attachments make it even more convenient to carry during long treks through the woods or fields, and tactical variants with collapsible stocks and Picatinny rails are available. 7. Minimal public perception issues. For ranchers and hunters who might encounter neighbors, the Mini 14's traditional appearance is less likely to attract attention or concern compared to the AR-15. 8. Legal versatility. The Mini 14's design allows it to be used in states with restrictive firearm laws that often prohibit AR-15s, making it a legal option for hunting and farm use. The Ruger Mini 14 is a versatile firearm that is ideal for hunters and ranchers, serving as a reliable tool for predator control, pest management, and general utility. Its lightweight design, quick handling, and suitability for various calibers make it a practical choice for outdoor tasks. The Mini 14's legal accessibility, particularly in jurisdictions with strict firearm regulations, makes it a more widely available option for shooters in restrictive regions. The Mini 14's traditional, non-tactical appearance helps it avoid being classified as an assault weapon in many legal frameworks. Key differences from the AR-15 include no pistol grip, non-detachable flash hikers, and fixed stocks. This makes the Mini 14 less likely to fall under the assault weapon bans enacted in many states, such as California, New York, and New Jersey. In states with stringent firearm laws, such as California or Connecticut, the Mini 14 is frequently permitted, even when AR-15s are banned or heavily restricted. In countries like Canada, where AR-15s are classified as restricted or prohibited, the Mini 14 is often legal for civilian ownership and use, provided it meets barrel length and magazine capacity requirements. The Mini 14's classic design and practical functionality make it an invaluable option for shooters living in areas where AR-15s and similar rifles are banned or heavily regulated.